sitting here.
I hope we're on the same page that we're doing Hook Me Goo. So some of you probably know this song. It's a sad song. So the girl sees a boat going out and her sweetheart's on the boat, and she says how she paid the dear fare for the ferry because the ferry goes down and her sweetheart gets drowned, and she sees him in a dream that he leaves, and then how she doesn't want to go to the Ceilidh anymore because he's at the bottom of the sea. So we've got M&M's and peanuts, but there's no Kleenex on the table. They should provide Kleenex. So this is Hook Me Goo, and of course you're welcome to join in the chorus if you know it, which you might know.